DriveQuant offers analytic solutions for connected vehicles and drivers. Their telematics solution supports drivers to prevent risks. They improve risk management and help to attract and retain good drivers. In partnership with April Moto and Allianz, they developed an innovative telematics insurance solution, especially for motorbikes. Next on stage, DriveQuant.
Hello everyone, my name is Augustin and I'm from DriveQuant. And today I'm going to talk to you about telematics, but not connected car insurance. I would rather drive you through the journey that we took with our partners, Allianz and April Moto, into building the first bike-connected insurance offer. But beforehand, let me introduce you DriveQuant. I don't think I'm going to break any news today by telling you that connected vehicle is offering a lot of opportunities for you insurers. Connected car is all about car and data. I think that you guys got the data part covered. But what about the car part? And this is where DriveQuant came to an end and can help you get more out of the connectivity thanks to our automotive expertise and our scientific background. Really concretely, how would we do it? We do it in three ways. The first one is to help you have a better risk appreciation of your drivers by using our road tire adherence indicator that takes into account also the vehicles and the driving condition. Secondly, we help you engage with your customers and deliver value through connected services. We have a wide range of them, going from eco-driving to fuel consumption, to predictive maintenance, to road assistance, a lot of them. And finally, we make telematics simple and scalable by converting vehicle into smart vehicle just with a simple smartphone. There are several reasons for which I wanted to discuss about motor coach innovation. First of all, we are in Munich, and I wouldn't dare to discuss a collaboration with another insurer than Allianz. I just want to go home safe and sound. The second thing is that actually, Motor Coach is the first initiative that had brought connectivity to another vehicle than car within the insurance. With the smartphone, you can connect any type of vehicle. It could be an electric scooter, it could be a bicycle, it could even be a truck. Picture what you want to do, and we can do it. The third thing is also interesting is the population we address. We address the bike riders. And I'm sure you know that bike riders are pretty reluctant to be tracked. So you have to deliver them a really big value to get them on board and to have them continue to use your app. And this is what we did. And finally, I want to say that it's been an interesting way to build a product because we've started little. We took some feedbacks from operation and from customers, and we improved the product over the time. I mean, initially, Motor Coach was just an application to create a community of riders to get feedbacks and to run a rider risk monitoring to get insight about their driving behavior and usage. Based on that, April and Allianz have decided to launch a specific product for young drivers that were heavy users of the application. So during the probation period, people will be invited to use the app to be coached and have a good driving behavior. And the best one of them will be actually offered their upgrade license after the 2 years. That's their proposition. Let's jump into the application because that's what's really interesting here. When the rider comes to the homepage, the first thing he sees is his weekly recap of his performance. Here we're looking at the safety side. The second thing we can see on the screen is actually the emergency call. Any motorbike riders having trouble, mechanical problems, or small accident can contact Mondial Assistance. We have developed a solution to detect crashes autonomously with this little device, which is a beacon. We are looking to integrate it as an equal solution for motorbikes and to be able to save lives. Another feature is pretty standard, I would say, is to go through all your journeys. The one with the motorbike icon that you can see are actually the one that has been identified as a motorbike ride by the application. The one with the bubble are the one where there is a piece of advice given by the coaching assistant on the context. Here, it tells me that my acceleration when I get out of the turns are too strong in the city. And if we look actually at the trip that was considered here, we see that it's totally in line with what happened, because here I had an adherence limit issue after a turn, and we'll see that for the other event, that was the same thing that happened. So we can provide contextualized advice to the riders after their trips. The second thing is also that they can the rider can see how it is doing compared to the community. There are many other options that I can go through, but I will run out of time. So even the challenges and everything. But the one I wanted to discuss is actually we've worked on the possibility to run a diagnostic for the users, because we want to empower them, and they were asking for that. And actually, by doing so, we've been able to reduce drastically the number of times that a customer was calling to have assistance because they couldn't make their solution work, just by empowering people to do it themselves. There are other features that should be included and that will bring great value to the application. One of them is actually the possibility to share the location. So when somebody is going with a ride with some friends, they don't have to wait for the people anymore. They just see on their screen where are their friends. Another one which is really interesting is weather assistance. Our system will learn your daily commute, and they will tell you if it's raining at the time you leave on your regular ride. And then you will be able to either find an alternative transportation or take your weather clauses. It is worth noting that Allianz and April have decided recently to make this app available to everyone and not only their customers, because they want to grow the community. And this is something that has been possible because running telematics on a smartphone is cheap and can enable such an initiative. To finish, I would say that we are very proud to have worked with Allianz and April and to have delivered a product that was actually meeting their expectation. We think that we didn't downgrade their vision. We are even prouder that it was the first telematics solution in bike that we managed to do. But what we are most proud of is that actually that solution was awarded the best innovation of the year by the French insurers at the French Insurance Awards. Just to conclude, I would say that if you want to launch a telematics solution with the smartphone on any vehicle, come and see us. If you want to upgrade your current telematics solution, also do so. We are at the booth. I'm Augustin Le Mans with DriveQuant, and thank you very much for your time.